OPPO Reno 8T. Right out of the box, we really love that sunset orange color that the Reno 8T has, especially with that fiberglass leather back. Siyempre, hindi lang naman looks ang meron ng phone na to. Okay din yung display nila kasi gamit nila dito is an AMOLED panel, Full HD Plus ang resolution, pero 90Hz lang yung refresh rate. Vibrant ang colors, deep ang blacks, at meron din siyang stereo speakers para okay din ang pagnood mo ng video sa phone na to. The cameras. It has a 100 megapixel main shooter na decent naman yung makakuha in daylight and mixed lighting conditions. Medyo kailangan lang natin i-adjust yung expectations natin when it comes to low light shooting, pero yung makakuha namin with this phone, pwede na for posting on social media. Now, kaya niya mag-record ng videos in full HD, so swak din sa pag-shoot mo ng videos habang flex mo ang magandang back panel ng phone na to, so at least it has that. Sa lahat ng cameras niya, obviously, pinaka-nakakaliw dito is yung microscope camera. Kaya niya mag-shoot ng incredible details at 40 times magnification na kahit na yung alikabok na hindi mo usually makita, lilitaw sa camera na to. However, habang nakakaliw siya, I guess the excitement kind of wanes off kasi yun na nga, novelty lang yung feature na to, and we also don't fully agree with the choice of leaving out a wide-angle camera in exchange for this one.
Now, pagdating naman sa performance, sakto yung na-offer ng Reno 80, pero take note, 4G version na yung makakuha natin dito. It uses a Helio G99 processor, and that's paired with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage.
Tamang-tama lang yung combination na to for a mid-range device, at para sa mga nagtataka dyan, meron siyang dedicated micro SD slot. Now essentially, ito yung 6nm version ng Helio G96, so you can expect it to be more battery efficient, which means kayang-kaya ito tumagal more than a day with its 5,000 mAh capacity. Now when you do need to charge it, 33 watts yung kanyang charging capabilities, and thankfully, OPPO still includes the charging brick inside the box. Now for gaming, pwede din yung phone na to. We tested out Asphalt 9 and Genshin Impact at kinaya naman ng Reno 80 ang performance on medium graphic settings. Satisfied kami sa gaming performance ng phone na to at wala naman kami na-encounter na issues as long as okay na sa inyo ang 30 FPS gameplay. Now it's not often that you see a mid-range phone here in the Philippines that offers a luxurious fiberglass leather back na balanse din in terms of features. Again, there are some, especially in the camera department, that might be a win or a loss depending on how you look at it. Pero overall, this is a really good-looking mid-range device na walang katulad in a sea of glass and plastic back mid-range devices.